Hey guys, what's up? So tell me showing the top edge story sheets have been updated. Hopefully support iOS 15, some for iOS 16. So the first sheet is called photo size. It allows you to find out the size of the photo in the photo.app easily. Supports iOS 7 and 8. Alright, next sheet is called high CC media. Cut out iOS 7 and 8.x. It has a media section from your control center, and there's no now playing. Next sheet is called tilt ets. Cut out iOS 10. Tired of people starting to strike through your photos. When you just want to show one photo, this week fixes that. So you can long press on image and option to enable only look mode will be presented to you. So this is called Air Server, and it's the first application that transforms your iOS device into an AirTunes and AirPlay receiver. It's like having an Airport Express and Apple TV in the palm of your hand. It lets you stream audio, photos, videos, and slideshows from your Mac to your iOS device or between iOS devices. Alright, next is called Topless Keyboards. Powered with iOS 9 to 14. Moves the previous ordinates and done bar that appears at the top of the keyboard. Next is called No More Skin Tone Suggestion. Compatible with iOS 10 to 14. Disables emoji skin tone pop-ups. Next is called More Frequently Used Emojis. Supports iOS 9 to 14. Increase the frequently used emojis to 50. Which I actually prefer, so. Alright, this is called Lock Screen Bug Fix for iOS 11 and 12. So, fixes the iOS lock screen bugs for iOS 11 and 12. This is called What Call. And this is compatible from iOS 10 to 13.3.1. The features are only colors for the WhatsApp. And these features are here. Supports A12 and A13 devices as well. Next is called Trend in TikTok. You can choose the direction of any country in the world on TikTok. You can take advantage of the services and features that the TikTok app allows in countries that are not available in other countries, such as a story. Next is called Success. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. Customize the top bar elements. Alright, next is called Set Call. With iOS 10 to 13.3.1. Features only colors for the settings, and here they are. Next is called Home Size. Customize home bar size. It enables users to customize the size of the home size, length, and width. Next is called AJB, and hide jailbreak from phone and apps. So, they often encounter, problems with using a jailbreak. You can also, or a ban on gaming accounts such as PUBG Mobile, or block on social media accounts such as Snapchat. So, this hopefully allows you to not get banned for those apps and games. Alright, and last but not least, we have 11 Pro, and adds iPhone Max Pro camera features to older devices. Only works for iOS 13 and and on iOS 14 as well. So, camera features on iOS 14. On iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. So you have quick take, ultra wide camera, night mode, and other new camera features on iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. And some screenshots of the tweak. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.